Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Got some help with today. Well, only for about 15 minutes. I gotta drop her off at school, but then we gotta go do just a 35-foot job, but it's got an inside corner, an outside corner, and then a piece that runs like diagonal with the roof. You'll have to see. You guys will see once I get to the job site and explain it, but just wanted to do a little intro with Minnie here and see you guys at the job site. We made her to the job site, everybody. I wish we could get places in real life that fast, but here we are. I'll show you guys a little bit of what we got going on here. We just got to run a gutter, this front piece right here. And the downspout's gonna be where the old one was. And then we gotta go, but we gotta start on this side, go all the way this way, and then they want one ran down diagonally here. Usually don't ever do that, but this customer wants it done, so just do as the customer wants and keep them happy. But all right, I'll get you guys set up here and show you how I cut the 45s with the chop saw for the gutters for the inside corners and outside corners. So let you guys see a little bit of that, and yeah, should go pretty quick. All right, everybody, another little minor setback for this job. We came up 5 feet short for the 9-foot part there. So yeah, I never measured this job. The customer just told me an approximate measurement, but that's why I always should just order 10 extra feet just to be sure. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys how to cut the corner pieces, and then I'm just gonna put the front one on and that side one on, and then I'll reset them. Once I get the other piece rolled out, I'll just go down to the material store and have them rolling out and come here quick and finish it up. So I'll finish the downspouts and everything while I'm here today. But all right, I can show you guys a little bit of how to 45 a gutter. All right, everyone, I'm gonna show you how to do a quick 45 the gutter, or the 45 the gutter quick with the chop saw. So we just set the chop saw at a 45-degree angle, set the gutter so the back is against the brace so you don't scratch the front, and then just line up where you need to cut. I need to cut 220 inches. I marked it already. Then just cut it down. Take the cut-off wheel and finish the 45. Flip her over. And just like that, got a 45. Quick and easy. Now I'm gonna do that both sides and inside and out on that one so you guys can see it, and yeah, works pretty good. All right, we got the other piece set up in the chop saw. Now we got to cut an inside corner for this side because it's gonna be on the other side, so we got to change this around. Different 45. Line her up. Now this side, we need an outside corner. We need it to be 127.5 inches. So now that we got it cut, I'm gonna remeasure. And 27.5 it was. So we just gotta work this one. Finish cutting it. Flip her over. Alright. We are good. Now this one will line up with that one nice. There you go. You got yourself a nice 45 or 90-degree corner. But alright, I'm gonna get some brackets in these and hang them up. update for you guys. I'm just gonna leave that piece tacked up there. You saw I put 3 screws in it just to hold it up, because I don't really want to set it or cut any more of the back of the gutter till we get that first one set, and then we can set the corner and get the right height and slope. So yeah, just leave it like that so I can run and get that piece rolled up, and then probably come back with Mama and little man, throw that up. But I'll work on the downspout here. I'm gonna get it done while I'm here, so let you guys see that. Alright everybody, that's a wrap from this job for right now. We'll be back later. I just gotta run and get that piece ran out, but otherwise the downspout finished up nicely. The gutter looks good. I put the trim coil in there so the customer wouldn't be able to see the board, the fascia boards behind it. But yeah, so then I'll just get that ran out and show you guys how I do these corners. But alright, we'll be back here in a little bit, for you guys anyways. And just like that everybody, we're back at the job site with Mama and Slinky. Sleepy baby. But alright, I'll probably just get you guys set up on the tripod while I put this other piece of gutter up in the corners, because we got a guy out mowing lawn right now and stuff. So I'm just gonna go rip this out quick, but set you guys up and let you see it. Alright everybody, we are done here. I got this all finished up, the inside corner put on, the outside corner put on. So if you like this episode, please smash that like button, subscribe to the page, and drop a comment down below. If you guys are sick of the drip and around Minnesota at all, call 320-630-7875. Levi Seamless Gutters and Outdoors, and we can come give you a free estimate. But alright, peace.